Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Aftershock. What is Jack's Magic Aftershock? Jack's Magic Aftershock is a great way to quickly reduce your chlorine levels after shocking your pool, minimizing your pool's downtime. Its fast-dissolving granular formula quickly drops your chlorine level back down to safe levels, enabling you to avoid any measuring and handling messy liquid chlorine. Product benefits: quickly reduces chlorine or bromine levels after shocking so swimming may resume. Reduce chlorine or bromine levels quickly for stain treatments. Easy to use. Dosage: 2 ounces per 15,000 gallons of water will remove 1 ppm chlorine and 2 ppm bromine. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.